Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in kitchen essentials. Today, we're diving into the world of savory goodness with the McCormick Brown Gravy mix. If you're looking to elevate your mashed potatoes to a whole new level, you're in the right place. Picture this: a cozy family dinner, the aroma of roasted meat filling the air, and creamy mashed potatoes perfectly complemented by rich, flavorful gravy.
Sounds like a dream, right?
Well, with McCormick Brown Gravy mix, that dream becomes a delicious reality. What sets this gravy apart from the rest?
It's all about the taste and convenience. Made with McCormick spices and no artificial flavors or added MSG, you can trust that you're serving your family the very best. With just a few simple steps, you can whip up a batch of deliciously smooth brown gravy in less than 5 minutes.
Simply stir 1 package of the mix with 1 cup of water in a saucepan, bring to a boil, and simmer for 1 minute. It's that easy. But the real magic happens when you taste it.
This gravy is savory, rich, and bursting with flavor. It's the perfect finishing touch to any meal, whether it's a holiday roast or a weeknight dinner.
And let's not forget about versatility.
This gravy isn't just for mashed potatoes. You can drizzle it over roast beef, meatloaf, or hot meat sandwiches for an extra layer of deliciousness.
Plus, it's a great meal starter for pot roasts, casseroles, and beef stew.
So why settle for ordinary gravy when you can have extraordinary?
Elevate your meals with McCormick Brown Gravy mix and experience flavor like never before. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products for your kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!